is the ratio if you're canning. So it's a 3-to-1 ratio. So it's 3 parts vinegar, 2 parts water, 1 part sugar. Now, for my purposes, I use cane sugar because it's not as highly processed as white sugar. You know, maybe you can find some nutrients in it. You know, maybe not, but definitely it's not as sweet. And so that's why I prefer that it be sort of have a little more savoriness to it than have it be like really super sweet. So anyway, so that's the ratio for canning. Okay, so now for the hot water bath canning, and you can buy these anywhere, you know, hardware stores, supermarkets, like but what I recommend is that you buy it from a place where they have a higher quality of the cost. Just because you want a solid bottom, and preferably stainless steel. And the full nutritional value that you can get from the salt products.
So, what's the difference between the healthy salt and kosher salt?
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Well, Celtic salt comes from a particular area
Of the ocean.
Of land, and I believe it's European. I believe that Celtic is like from Ireland, right? Okay. Sea salt is of the sea, so usually it's identifiable too. They'll say Mediterranean sea salt or whatever. So, and it definitely has a high nutrient value. And then what's the other? Kosher. So kosher. I mean, honestly, I'm stumped. The only thing I can say is it's non-iodized. That's the one thing.
That's the one good quality.
One good quality, yes. And then what else it brings to the table, other than a nice flavor profile, I don't know.
Okay.
So, but we can investigate that when I finish.
Yeah,
you can Google it. Because these and what's available, you can choose between them. And what's interesting is that it's only recommending kosher salt and pickling salt. No other salt is recommended. So, take note of that. Now, so the vinegar, which I covered this with you guys. For pickling, the important thing to keep in mind is that the vinegar must have at least 5% acidity, right? And for it to be a preserving medium. White distilled vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and malt vinegar. See, we have bay leaf, we have fennel seed, and we have coriander. And then the other thing I have is fresh and garlic. Oh, and we have some star anise. Now, I love star anise, yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. But the thing is, you don't want to use a whole star anise. So you want to just like break off a little piece like that. And I'll just break some off and put it on the top here. Because I think a whole one would be overwhelming. Well, we have cucumbers and we have well, whatever you give it to me. What do you want in yours? That's star anise.
Whatever's gonna taste good.
Very good. Okay, so is anyone? I have yours. So do you want? What do you want in yours? What spice profile? Okay. And make my fried fish sandwich different too. I'm gonna give you peppercorns in both. I'm gonna give you one with some star anise and one without. I'm gonna give you a little celery seed. And then a bay leaf and the one over here. And then fennel seed. And then coriander. Do you want garlic? Oh, okay, yes. I need to borrow garlic. Okay, and then you need some dill. So I use the dill fronds and I use the stems because.
So I'll just take one. Ask her to do it. I'm just gonna grab one and I'm gonna cut it. Because that garlic was really strong. But I don't want to eat too many at the table. Yeah, me too. I know.
Yeah, you have everything, cucumbers, and then your liquid glass.